Hi everyone, welcome to ActionPhotoPassion. So we are here on the field to try to do a review, a real-time review of the new filter holder that I have taken from K&F Concept. So for this filter holder I will use GND8 of 3 stops, and it is a graduated and soft graduated filter. So it's a filter of 150 millimeter by 100, meaning that it's a 100 millimeter for real. And yeah, so what I will do is just to screw on the lens the filter holder, and that way I will be able to adapt on this lens that I'm recording actually the video, that is a 28-75 from Sony. And we will see what we get. And so we are here in Spain, Madrid, Spain. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there is lots of towers here because we are at the financial center that is named Castellana. And yeah, there are great towers. Yeah, we have towers here a bit everywhere. So yeah, here too there is a nice tower here too. So I will try to do some shots about these towers with this filter, and then we will see what we get, and if it is a great result or not. I already own one filter from them, that is, the circular one. So I guess that the result would be more than good. But let's see what we get. And as I have said before in my first review, that will be my test field. So for the moment it is only, I don't know, 6 or something like that, 6 p.m. I don't know here. So we are far from sunset, So normally, but what is interesting here is the fact that we got a lot of clouds for the very reason that it has been raining very earlier in the day. So I will profit of this, and I'm sure that I will like it. So stay tuned. So guys, this is clear that the rig here, as I've said earlier, it's very easy to set. As you can see, you still have the 2 chambers here, and behind I have put my CPL. I don't know if you can see something written about that. Obviously it's down, so we cannot see. It's this side here. So I have put my CPL, and yeah, the weather is now without any clouds. Actually they are coming from here. So yeah, I think I will wait a bit now because there is no single clouds, and we will see what we get. But to start with, my first results are showing that there is no lack of sharpness. The sharpness is not impacted, so that is a very first positive here. But I prefer to wait a little more. By the way, I will try to shoot at the other towers there, and this one there, which is cool actually with its colors. I should do that now. So guys, there is not much of clouds in the sky by now, and as a result I've decided to go in time-lapse mode on my camera. As a reminder, my camera is a 99 Mark II, that is a mount system, so we don't have a real time-lapse option or features inside the body. But to work around this, Sony has decided to include a time-lapse mode sort of in the video mode. So you turn your camera in video mode, and then you search for the SNQ, which means slow and quick motion, and you turn that on, and you'll be able to do a time lapse with that. Nowadays, I think that on the E-mount system, Sony has included by firmware update a real time-lapse thing. What I dislike about the time-lapse, and I'm repeating myself here, is the fact that is releasing the actuation shutter. You know, the shutter is triggered, so it means that it is increasing dramatically your number of actuations on the body. So that is not a so good thing, not for me actually, because I'm not the kind of a person that is resetting all the time my body. I have this body since May 2018 by now. So guys, after this afternoon of shooting in this financial place of Madrid, I can tell you that I'm very, very glad to have taken this system, because it will help me to adapt these filters of 100mm on any of my lenses, as I have whatever kinds of filter threads to put. This one is a 67. I have other ones that are 72, 82, 55, whatever. So obviously with all the adapting rings here, it is very, very easy to have one filter that will adapt on any of your lenses, and it's very, very useful. And actually it is less cumbersome to put in your bag, you know, in your backpack. You have only one or two filters. They come in a pouch that is pretty neat actually, to avoid any scratch on the glass. So that's a cool thing. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for the next episode.